Lawmakers grilled the Texas district attorney this afternoon, wondering why that office has not stepped in to stop an execution set for this month. This as some of the original jurors in the Melissa Lucio case, the woman convicted of capital murder after her child's death, say she deserves some type of clemency. KXAN's Maggie Glenn is joining us from the newsroom tonight. She's just back from the hearing at the state capitol. Maggie?
Britt, it was a heated back and forth between lawmakers and the DA, which all began after one of the jurors gave a statement at the beginning of the hearing stating he believes the jury got it wrong. He's one of now 5 jurors who have said they would vote differently if they knew then what they have learned since the trial 15 years ago, where Lucio was convicted of murdering her 2-year-old daughter. The Cameron County DA, who testified virtually, was asked if he would revoke the warrant for the execution, which would effectively pause the process, not grant her clemency. He says he wants it to play out in the courts instead.
You have the power right now, single-handedly, tonight, to withdraw this request, to push the pause button on her execution.
I don't intend to do that because I am not going to usurp the authority. I'm not going to usurp what a jury sat for 6 weeks hearing. I'm not going to usurp the authority of the Court of Criminal Appeals.
Lucio's lawyers have filed for a retrial. Those motions are still pending, and the DA says he does expect the Court of Criminal Appeals to weigh in and grant a stay in the next week or two. And he says he does not believe Lucio will be executed on April 27th. I also want to note the state's Board of Parole typically waits until 48 hours before an execution to make a decision, and then the governor has the final say. Britt?